The Advanced Manufacturing Group is a team of scientists and engineers that help solve tough problems for New Zealand businesses. We create bespoke automation solutions for food and beverage companies and seafood and meat industry. We help manufacturing businesses connect and collect data from their manufacturing processes to improve productivity and efficiency. And we solve difficult engineering problems to improve products and performance of processes. Some of the really good benefits that companies see working with us is they can help improve productivity in manufacturing processes, reduce costs, they can improve the quality of their products that they manufacture. In some cases they can help improve the health and safety of their manufacturing environment for their team, and also help engagement with their team and understand where they're going with technology and innovation, and actually how they can enter new markets with new products and services. We've got a team of about 35 engineers and scientists that love solving difficult technical problems. We've got equipment and facilities to help test and build and deliver real solutions that can have commercial impact for businesses.
We have a company that we're working right now with and solving their problem, and they are asking us to investigate how profitable they are on their machinery, on their chain of production, and they would like to know if they can fit in a customer that walks right through the door with a new order and says, can you do me that fast? So when you look at the efficiency of a machine, basically you can ask, is the machine sitting idle? Is somebody setting up a new job? Or is that job running? So when we have that information, the job is running, and we probably also know that setup time, that's all we need.
The team is so motivated and engaged about solving problems for New Zealand businesses. You'll see one of the team working at their desk or in the workshop just trying to think about these different options and solutions, and they're absolutely dedicated to getting that outcome for business. Yeah, that light bulb moment when they've cracked it and they can give the results back to the customer and you can see what the impact would be, that's kind of what we're here for.